Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your profile in Pinterest. And to do that, I am on the profile section over here. If you're not there, just click on it. And then I'm just going to press on these three dots and go to settings. Then I am going to go to public profile. And here's where I can edit some stuff. I can edit my profile picture. So it's going to update profile picture. And I'm just going to use, let's say this picture, press done. And wait for it to upload. And then I'm just going to change the first name and my surname to, oops. And you can change your username to over here. I want this, oops. And also, you can also enter your pronouns, bio, and you can add a website to it. But yeah, that is basically it. You just press done and it will be saved. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!